Alright, man, what is up, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Back at y'all with another video, man. Today we gonna be priming the transom, man, and getting this thing ready like I told y'all before, man, for this top coat black, man, flat black. So I want to thank y'all for tuning in to this video, man. Y'all come on, let's ride. Join me on this journey right here, man. Let's get it. Alright, guys, man, quick little video, man. As y'all can see, I'm down here, knelt down, man, facing the transom, man, of the bass boat, man. And what we doing today, man, is priming back here, man. And as y'all can see, showing y'all, I cleaned this thing up, the back with a little acetone, man. And we about to drop that same primer on here again, man, that we did the boat, the top cap of the boat with, man. So here it is, man, and we'll be doing this whole boat, the sides and everything, the port side and the starboard side, of course, you know, with this boat as well, man. I don't know if we gonna actually get underneath and be able to do all that, man. I don't think we gonna go that far with this project, but we definitely gonna get these sides done over here. And like I say, right now I'm about to do the back of this transom, man, so I wanted to bring y'all along with me, man. Here we go. The transom has been clean and prepped with the acetone, so now I got a clean surface, man, to hit up. So here we go. All right, man, y'all see the conditions, man, in the situation what I'm priming this boat in. So I gotta do what I gotta do, man. It's another windy day out here. Plus I got these horses in my way, but like I say, man, we gonna make the best of the situation.
Well, duh.
We only gonna be doing this one good time, man, and we're gonna go from there. I don't know if I got y'all out the shop, but one good prime, man, you know, for me to have something to sand and smooth out so that flat black lay down on here good, man. And like I said, like I told y'all, you know, I'm gonna probably be using 150 or 220 grit to smooth this thing out. We're not going for perfection, but we going for a good look, man. So some little quick video, man, just to take this project in a forward direction, man. That's all it's about, man. Speeding up the process. That's all it is, y'all. Speeding up this process. All right, go around to this other side and get the other side done. All right, we on this opposite side over here, man. Like I say, you know, Alright, man, as y'all can see, man, these horses got me in the trenches, man. Gotta do what I gotta do, y'all. Got me in the cut over here. Gotta get it done, though. Y'all already know it's gonna be hella imperfections back here, man. So we just the goal is just to, hope y'all can see this, man. The goal is to, like I say, man, just get this thing looking uniform, man. Just to give me a nice look, man. We're gonna be taking this boat, man, through the trenches, man. Shallow waters, Okeechobee. So, you know, this thing gonna be getting beat up a little bit, man. So I ain't worrying about this looking spectacular, man. And if y'all wondering why I ain't cover up the rug rails, you know, perfectly and all that, we gonna be installing new rug rails on here too, man. So I ain't tripping about the rug rails. Getting primer and paint on it eventually. It is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is with that. Just looking for a nice solid foundation to prime, man. Something for me to sand up and, you know, make look nice, man. That's the goal for the day, y'all. I wanted to bring y'all along just so y'all can see. So y'all won't be like, Nate, man, you ain't show us that part. You ain't show us that part, man, when you prime the transom. When you painted the transom. It's a little something light, man, you know? A little something light. To make that CMC and that outboard look, CMC PT130 look good on here, man, and you know, compliment the outboard when the outboard painted, man. I'm gonna be dropping some videos, man, of the lower cowling and in the hood in this video at the end, man, so y'all can, you know, see what that white gonna look like. Like I told y'all, you know, I think that thing look amazing to me, man, you know, especially, you know, done with a rattle can, so I'm happy with it. I hope y'all think the same, but you know, it is what it is, man. Like I say, man, it's DIY, man, at its finest, baby. Y'all gonna see the love that I put into this boat, man. I think I'm showing y'all, but you know, I know y'all don't have that vision of picturing what this thing gonna look like I have in my head, you know what I'm saying? But man, when I tell you, this thing come out with how I vision it in my head, boy, it's gonna be, this thing gonna look amazing, man. Alright, yeah, see? You go to crap. Alright. Almost done, Kira. Yeah, man, so like I said, I'm going one good primer on here, man. Make sure it's on here good. I don't have no spots leaking through. So whenever I get ready to sand this thing up, man, I'm gonna knock this down Knock this down and give it that tender love and care, man. Knock this down and give it that tender love and care with that yeah, and I ain't got no mask on. I gotta inhaling these damn fumes. Yeah, but like I was saying, I ain't got no mask on, inhaling these fumes, man. You guys, y'all do this, man. Wear you a respirator mask, man, or wear something over your face. Yeah, man. And I also was saying, you know, I'm gonna show y'all that tender love and care that I'm gonna put into this thing, man. And that's gonna show through that sanding, man. That's where the magic gonna come at. Painting and laying this primer down, that ain't nothing. That's easy. You just coloring everything into everything. To everything that one solid color. So this ain't nothing. That magic gonna come, man, when I sand this thing up, man, and get it all smooth and even. Yeah, y'all see me climbing through stuff, man. That's where the magic gonna happen at, man. So alright, man, quick little video, man. So this gonna bring this video to an end, man. You know what I'm saying? Quick priming of the transom of the boat, man. You know, as y'all can see in the background, man. We got this thing primed up, man. You know what I'm saying? You know, there's gonna be imperfections, of course, man. You know, like I say, I'm gonna put that love into it with this sandpaper, 150, 220 grit. Then top that off with a 400 grit. You know what I'm saying? And have this thing super smooth and looking nice, man, to complement that CMC PT130 that's gonna go on there, and to complement the outboard, man, to get this thing a nice, you know, finished look, man. So y'all lay around for it. I want to thank y'all for tuning in to this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel, man. We got plenty of dope content coming up, man. Y'all excuse the lawnmower in the background. But plenty of dope content coming up, man, in the future. Videos on the completion of this boat, man. Fishing videos coming up soon, man. As soon as we get this thing Out there on the water, man, I can't wait, man. So as y'all can see, y'all can peep the energy, man. It's about to be going down, man. We getting closer and closer. Y'all stay tuned. Like, subscribe, share. Comment down below, man. Fishing with Nate, baby. We out, man. Y'all already know. Peace, man. Much love, baby.